Hello, welcome back to Tech TV channel, your channel. My name is John and I'm here to show you another review for another great product today. Today we will be showing you and I'm gonna be talking about the KNF Concept. Actually, this is an electric blower and vacuum. I'm gonna be showing you all the features, how it works, and absolutely everything about this device. One of the first things that I'm gonna be showing you right now is the package. And actually the package, it looks really good. So I'm gonna be doing like an unboxing right now in here. And I'm gonna be showing you what is coming inside of the box. For example, the first thing is it comes with the little bag. So basically you can carry on this whatever you want. You can take it whatever you go. The other thing is the instructions. Now I'm gonna be showing you, this is the other part. So it comes with adapter. It comes with adapter for the vacuum and also the main part. So this works as a vacuum and it works as a blower. And this is the other part. This is magnetic. So you can just put it in there and look. And I'm gonna be showing you also the other features. I'm gonna be showing you how it looks. So there you go. This is the adapter for the vacuum. You just need to plug this in here. And this is the other part. This is the blower. So what you need to do, as I mentioned, this is magnetic. So you can just put this in here and it will be adapted. And this is the other part that I want to show you. It comes with two lights. If you see right there at the bottom, there is actually the option where you can turn the light on. I'm not gonna be turning this on right now. And you can see the battery in here, indicator. So there it comes with the light in here and it comes with the light in here. So I'm not gonna be turning the light on right now because probably it's not necessary, but you can see the option is in here. I'm gonna be turning this on so you can see how it works, and it comes with three lights, so it comes with different powers. Now, this is the other part that I want to show you that I feel is really important. It comes with the speed regulation, so you have the option, and every single color it means in speed. So I'm gonna be turning this on, and it's kind of noisy, but at least you can see how it works. Now, for low speed, it's color red. For medium, it's color green, and for faster or the top, it is the color blue. So there you go. And if you see in here, is the option color red, color green, this is the medium, and this is not. As I mentioned it to you, it's kind of noisy, but actually this works really good. I already tested this out on my car. I just cleaned it up some keyboards. I mean, this is very useful. Here's the regular part on my reviews. I'm gonna be comparing the size with the cell phone and also the product. So you can see the product is in here and the cell phone is in here. And if you see the difference, I mean, it's minimum. So this is a small, it's something that you can put in the pocket. Now I'm gonna be showing you something. I have something prepared so you can see how it works. I'm gonna be using the vacuum and I'm gonna be using also the blower so you can see how a little bit how it works. So now I'm gonna be giving you my personal point of view and my personal review on this. Compared with the other products that I have similar to this one, I can tell you the quality on this one is so much better, and also the feature that is given to me is so much better. Why? On the other one, probably I can use it as a vacuum and as a blower. However, this one is small, it's light, I can use it as a blower, I can use it as a vacuum, and also it comes with the light. It's rechargeable. You can use a USB-C type to charge this device, and basically you can take it whatever you want. Now let's talk about the price. You're getting actually high quality for a lower price. I highly suggest and I highly recommend getting something like this. Why? Because this is small. You have three options in one. It's rechargeable. you can use it and charge this with the USB-C type. So it's something that is changing the game. If you want to do something with your car, you want to clean your car, you want to clean your sofa, you want to clean your keyboard, camera, I mean, you can use it in different scenarios. Something small, something light, believe me, you will be loving this device. Once again, thank you for stay tuned. Please follow us on our social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X. You can follow us in YouTube. You can subscribe to our channel. We will be giving to you the best in technology. We will be creating more reviews for you, so you can take a look at that. Please leave in your comments what you think about this. If you already have this product, please leave me your feedback. This is extremely important for us. And I'm going to be sharing also the link right here on the description, so you can take a look on this device. Thank you so much. My name is John with Tech TV channel, your channel. We'll see you in the next one.